Hey, if you're down today, you can have a little bit of my sunshine.
You want a treat? You want to go outside? You want some big booty bitches? Just like your old man.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Subscribe and like this video, and nobody gets bitten.
Bonjour, est-ce que je peux vous aider?
They killed little Meow Meow. Oh, yeah. Little Meow Meow, get up. No, he did. Oh, shit, Meow Meow. I thought she was dead, man. My bad.
Ah, yo, 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 give me some, give me some. Give me some. Yeah, boy.
So this is love. My baby dog, that's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. My plan is that I will be pilot and I will help everyone. Pilot.
Yeah, he's a pilot. Great.
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
A chocolate.
Oh, you poor.
Patient kids. Mom is preparing food.
Are you insane? Stop attacking. Immediately.
Cosita. Ay, dame tu cosita. Yeah.
You look sad. But I don't like that. I'm going to fix it. Open your hands. Squish!
Listen. 1, 2, 3. Kevin, that guy's not even racing yet.
Yeah, he did. He blinked.
Bak şimdi nasıl dönecek? Bak şimdi kendi gelecek. Bak, vur bakayım. Bak. Vur vur.
You're not gonna like it. I promise you. You're not gonna like it. Stop.
Body won't.
Kill John Lennon. Kill John.
I'm trying to save your life. Oh, okay.
Are you hot? Is that why you're laying on the kitchen tile? You're so wrong. Hey.
Hey. Get the out of here.
Oh, darling. You crazy, dog.
Man, that nigga loaded so fast. I'm
Stormy? Stormy. Oh my gosh, he's stuck. He's literally stuck.
Bark at your dog.
Wait, is that a feather you got there? Oh, give me that.
When you're mad at your humans for being gone too long and decide to be a bad boy.
Why are you peeing on the floor?
I know what you're doing over there, and I kindly ask that you don't do it. Please. Don't pull that. No. Walter? I said no. Walter!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't turn around. No, turn around. You're looking in the mirror. Turn around. Dude. Turn around here. Turn around. Hey, dude.
I hate him! I hate him! I feel... Oh my god! Stop!
You pee off? You pee off?
Pasión.
Hello? You're a baby.
How to give medicine to my dog.
Nein, 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 nein.
Are you serious right now?
Oh my god, I want to take him home. We can put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck. Look at him.
Baby. I think they're... Oh. I may not have brought you into this world, but I brought you into this house. And you are going to let me love you.
shit. I want it. Don't do this, Harold. Come on, man. Don't do this. I want the fish. Come on, bro. We vegetarians now. Come on, Harold. Get him in the water. Get him in there.
Motherfucker jumps onto my lap and just screams at me. What do you want? I'm giving you all the attention I could possibly give you.
This is perfect. 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 Perfect.
Is
So sorry. I'm sorry. I love you.
In 1, 2, 1. Watch this. You go right, there you go left, there you go freaking center, and there you're done. All right? Now give me some food. Come on.
Yeah, tell the puppy you love him.
I love you. That is rude. That is rude. Stop. You.
Damn, what is that, bro?
And I appreciate you carrying me, Playboy. See, a lot of people won't do this for their dogs, but you a real dude. Hey yo, Stanley, man, look. Carrying me. Oh, I never knew this was a thing humans did for us. I don't know if you can say humans, because I ain't never seen Bruce carrying your ass, man. Cameron's one of a kind.
Hey, leave her alone. Oh, baby. Oh my God, are you okay?
You are healed. I have.
Do you like your new tie? It makes you look very handsome.
On your mark, get set, go.
Bless you. Bless you. You good?
Hey, bub, what are you doing? Oh, just looking at. There's this thing on the wall. Bub, were you trying to murder me again? Huh? No.
Okay, now where's the leg? Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did the leg go? Okay, I'm feeling instant regret. Instant regret. Okay, concentrate and recalculate. Concentrate and recalculate. Now tighten the button.
What are we gonna get for dinner? Quesadilla?
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
I've always hated Crocs. I'm gonna take a giant piss in this thing. Wait a tick. I think this is perfect for napping. Oh my goodness gracious. Yes, I'm just gonna gonna curl up into a ball. This is rather nice.
All right, people, I think it is time for a loaf check. Oh my goodness, we've got no tail, not a single paw visible. I think that's a 10 out of 10 loaf.
Oh non, mais non, 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 je t'en prie, fais pas ça. Non, non. Oh, quel fils de... Oh, mais je vais te tuer, ce fils de...
Every night at 9 p.m. my dog chooses something to guard. Tonight it is an almond.
Okay, I've had enough. I've been trying to catch you all day, and you keep ducking me. Get back here. Come on. Listen up, you son of a... Damn it, you know I have asthma.
Where my chew toy at? I don't want to hear none of that. You know you got it. Where my chew toy at? Stop playing with me. Give me my chew toy. I'm finna check your pockets. Let me see. What? It ain't over here, huh? I know you got my chew toy, man. Where my chew toy at? Where my chew toy at, huh? Huh?
How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this. Look at him. He's adorable.
Here's another ball I found rolling down the street at work. Are you ready? Go get it! You dork.
C0 sits like just a sweet little lap cat, and then I have this one, Mateo, who just crams himself anywhere that he'll fit.
Hey, what you do? You fell asleep in your kitty litter? You probably need to go take a bath. No, you did not. No, I know you did. Oh, no, you didn't open up a can of worms. Now watch. Whoa, wait, that's fine. Can't believe you put your balls on me. Boy, you in trouble. You in so much trouble. Wait till I start running. I'm gonna whoop you. I'm gonna whoop you, man. I can't believe you put your balls on me. I can't believe you slapped.
Holy cow, look at him go. Oh!
She stomp, she do the nollie stomp. Hey, stomp, she do the nollie stomp. Stomp, you do the nollie stomp.
You are so beautiful to me.
It's hard to judge the leap. And the depth of the snow. Too shallow, and it can be rather painful.
Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
When you own a cat, you are never truly alone.
My mum said we can't get a Christmas tree. She thinks I might climb it. Or destroy it. Or eat it. I wonder why she thinks that.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications to watch more cute and funny pets.